What if I told you the biggest mistake investors make, is not losing money, it's quitting right before they win. Pause. Think about that, because this one truth separates people who stay broke from people who build real wealth. Let me tell you a quick story. Imagine two people, same age, same income, same starting money. Both decide to invest in the stock market. Person number one gets excited, watches videos, scrolls social media, sees people making money fast, and thinks, this is easy. So he jumps in, buys random stocks, follows trends, and chases hype. At first, he gets lucky, makes a little profit, feels like a genius. But then the market drops hard, and suddenly everything changes. His profits disappear, his account turns red, and fear takes over. He starts checking his phone every minute, refreshing charts, reading negative news, watching people panic online. And then he makes the decision that destroys most investors. He sells. Now let's look at person number two. This person also invests, but with a different mindset. He doesn't chase hype. He doesn't try to get rich overnight. Instead, he follows a simple plan. He buys strong companies, he invests consistently, and most importantly, he stays calm. When the market drops, he doesn't panic. He doesn't sell. He does something. That feels uncomfortable. He buys more. Now fast forward a few years. Person number one is still confused, still chasing trends, still losing confidence. But person number two is quietly building wealth. Because here's the truth. The stock market rewards behavior, not intelligence. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to predict the future. You just need to control your emotions. Because the market is designed to test you. There will be days when everything is green and you feel unstoppable. And there will be days when everything is red and you feel like quitting. That's the game. And most people lose, not because they don't know what to do, but because they can't stay consistent. Now let's talk about the real secret. Real money in the stock market is not made during hype. It's made during fear. When everyone is scared, that's when opportunities appear. When people are selling, that's when smart investors are buying. But here's the problem. It's easy to say, buy the dip. But when the dip actually happens and your money is going down, it feels completely different. That's when your mindset is tested. That's when discipline matters. Because discipline is what builds wealth. Not luck, not timing, not shortcuts, just discipline. Let's talk about something most people ignore. Time. Everyone wants fast results. Everyone wants quick money. But the stock market doesn't reward speed. It rewards patience. If you look at history, every crash, every dip, eventually recovered. But the people who panic sold never recovered their losses because they left the game. And here's the biggest truth. You don't lose money in the market until you sell. So what should you do? Keep it simple. Don't overthink. Don't overtrade. Pick strong investments. Stay consistent and give it time, because time is your biggest advantage. Even small investments can turn into something big if you stay consistent long enough. That's the power of compounding. But most people never experience this because they quit too early. So the next time the market drops and your brain tells you to panic, pause, take a breath, think, ask yourself, am I reacting or thinking? Because that one decision can change your future. Stay disciplined, stay patient, stay focused, because the market rewards those who don't quit. If you want to build real wealth, subscribe now, because here we don't follow hype, we build money.